Hi, good morning, it's Paul. It is March 8th. Let's see what's going on in the market today. 2019. Alright, so get these things in order here. Quite a few things already today. It's only 8:45 in the morning. Okay, so lowest price, we've got this little condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Oh, late afternoon photography there. It's nice. Small, but the garage. Really? 7 pictures. Yep, 1 bedroom, 1 bath with a garage, built in 2001 over on Sunset. Let's see where that is. Sunset and Rainbow, okay. And there we are, bottom of Spring Valley there. Okay, well that sounds good. Let's see what else we got here. 489,000. 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. 2-story. Long path at the front door. I love this high ceiling. It's nice. Looks like it's been a little taken care of. Wood shutters. Very clean. $489 though for 2,600 square feet. Nice covered patio there. Good separation there. Walking path. Yeah, there's no pool or anything. I think that's a little steep. But maybe not. What's that? Just their stuff. Nice drone shot. Looks like a picture of the South Point there. Another drone shot. Okay. And where are we here? Well, it wasn't a picture of the South Point, that's for sure. It's clear over here in Summerlin South, or above Cully Ranch here. Okay, well, I guess 2005 still seems awful high to me, but who knows? It's over there in Summerlin. Okay, Jeffries, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 462 square feet for $65,000. Okay. Just your basic. Good little rental unit. Tropicana and Eastern, okay. Near the university. Sounds good. A lot of inventory came on the market in the last 2 days. Look at that. Wowie kazowie. So $9 million for this house. 12,000 square feet. 5 bedrooms, 10 baths, 4-car garage, pool, spa, new house. Did we look at this one yesterday? I don't think so. just the mountains. No city view. Interesting. Okay, that is for $9 million bucks. Okay, clear over in the southwest end of the valley. Okay. Alright, so much for that. Let's see, so we've got 635 properties in escrow. Wow. He really jumps around, doesn't it? Okay, so yesterday lowest price 34, condo here, 400 square feet, looks like a studio, doesn't have a bedroom, just a bath. Yeah, just a studio. Lots of shoes and a safe. Hard to cook with all that stuff on your stove, but that's the way it goes. It's sold, and that's the important thing. Rancho in the 95. Okay, not bad. Let's see. And the most expensive one yesterday, 1.9 million. Oh, 9,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6 baths. I think we looked at this one yesterday. Maybe not. Excuse me. 1.9 million. I like the architecture of it. Sweeping staircases, ground molding all around. Nice office. Nice pool, nice backyard. Just under 2 million. Okay. And we are looking at Fort Apache and Sahara. Coley Ranch. Okay. Sounds good. Alright, well I think that's it for today. I'm going to be gone for 5 days or so, so I won't be back online until probably next Friday. So you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll try to catch up next Friday. Bye.